Hi guys, if your Roborock S8 or Roborock S8 Pro Ultra is not connecting or stuck or not responding at all, a quick reset is certainly going to fix most of the issues. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can reset it step by step. So first of all, you need to make sure that your robot vacuum is powered on. If it is off, you can just simply press the power button on top of it in order to wake it up. After doing so, you just have to press and hold the power button alone for about 20 to 30 seconds and then release it and wait for the robot to restart. So this clears the minor glitches without deleting any kind of settings. For a full reset, you need to locate the home button and spot clean buttons and you need to basically press them together. So you need to press and hold the home button and the spot clean buttons together. Keep holding until you hear a voice prompt or until you see the lights flash. Now this will reset the Wi-Fi and the system settings as well. You can also do the resetting via the Roborock application. So inside the application, you just have to go to the settings, then go to the device settings and then look for the option of factory reset. So after selecting the option of factory reset, simply confirm it. And this is useful if the robot is still connected. After that, you can reconnect your robot to Wi-Fi and set it up again in the application. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.